what I mean? Just the spins, man. Oh my god.
I'm in an RS3, blacked out 5-door, can't see me. 0 to 60 in 3.3. What you gonna do? You can't catch me. Try chat on my name, then my boys don't get ya. Try to do that.
Welcome to the church, volume 2. Exclusive 213. Got my nephew Nate Dogg in the house. Nate Dogg, holla at him. Where you at?
Riding in my car, and I'm listening to the radio.
What is good, everyone? We are doing a POV drive today. Today we are in the Polo GTI, my Polo, personal Polo GTI. Just got some petrol. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. It is a Sunday today. You're probably seeing this video at 9 o'clock, or roughly 9 o'clock. I have already tried to film the video, but it didn't go to plan. The camera was this camera was sticking all the way up there, so I had to redo it. But yeah, we are back out in the Polo GTI. I hope you guys have had a good weekend, as I've already said. We have just done some transitions at the petrol station, my closest one. Shout out to people there, always really nice people. But yeah, we're out in the Polo for a POV nighttime drive, which a lot of people wanted to see. So I thought I'd jump out into the Polo. So recently we've hit 3,000 subscribers, which is actually insane. I love you all for subscribing. It is literally insane to think that I have got 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. Really, really big for me. So thank you to everyone that has been subscribing. Please carry on subscribing. Please keep watching my content. We've got way more videos coming. This is just a little filler, just in between modding my car and stuff like that. But yeah, so my car, if you don't actually know, because I have got some new subscribers, so if you want to know some information on it, I'm going to tell you. So it is a 2016 Polo GTI DSG. So it's got the DQ200 gearbox in it, and it is a fairly world spec car. It's got most things, heated seats, it's got your parking sensors, your Apple CarPlay. Oh, this road is horrible. Yeah, so it's got your average, I mean, it's got more than average, it's got quite a big spec to be fair. The folding wind mirrors, it's just missing the sunroof, and that is literally it. Apart from that, it's pretty much top spec. So very nice car. Honestly, I love this car. I've had this car for just almost a year now, about 8 months. I got it in December last year. My first car was a Corsa, pile of crap. I would never get a Corsa again, but it was a very good car for what you need it for. If you don't really need a reliable car and you just want to get round close journeys, it's probably the perfect car for you. But if you're doing long journeys, I wouldn't get a Corsa. It's good for just town driving, reliable for that, but not for anything too long drives, if you get what I mean. But yeah, it's honestly, it's a really good car, to be fair. I can't knock it too much. But yeah, so it's a stage 1 plus by AMC Performance. So we're looking at almost 260 horsepower with a Miltech decat downpipe, and a stock exhaust, but it's got a res delete from Euro Car Parts. We've got a whole Maxton kit on it. We've got an Alcantara steering wheel on it, Apple CarPlay, as I've already said, but I did add that in myself. I sent it off to North East Vag Adaptions, I think it was. So if you do want to get that done, you can go and get it done there. We've got extended paddles on the gear shifters, just to make it easier to change gear and stuff. Sorry, I thought that was an undie going to follow me, no, it wasn't. Yeah, it's got done quite a lot to it, to be fair. I am looking to do chameleon tint very soon. We've got pops and bangs in normal mode and bigger pops and bangs in sport mode. Sport mode, I don't know how I say it like that, but yeah, in sport mode we've got bigger pops and bangs. But yeah, we've got ambient lighting down there that I installed myself. All these videos you can find on my channel. So yeah, I just hope you guys carry on watching the videos. But yeah, let's have a bit of fun. You lot are probably bored right now. You're like, oh, he's just talking on a whole video. Let's put the back window down. Back windows down, and let's go. I'm gonna say we shall head left. I hope no one else goes this way, because I do want to rag it down here. But yeah, so here is the. There you go. You can hear that. Big pops. Yeah, it sounds mental, I can't lie. It is actually sick. There you go, listen to that. see that? The torque steer was mental. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is sick. Honestly, I love this car so much, guys. Actually my favourite car I've ever bought. So to be fair, I definitely think for the money this is what you should get. If you're looking for a second car, oh my god, see what I mean? It does not want to grip up, it just wants to like just fly. Actually stupid. But yeah, if you're looking for a good front wheel drive car, you could probably get one for 10 grand, a manual to be fair. If you get a high mileage Polo GTI, make sure you get a manual, but if you're getting a low mileage, just get a DSG, you'll be fine. A lot of people do give the DSGs problems, but it's all about how you treat it and how you drive it. Obviously, if you're driving like a div, then you're going to blow the gearbox up, innit? It's literally as simple as that. So just don't drive like a div and you won't blow your gearbox up. Like, honestly, most people that I know that blow their gearbox up drive like idiots. So no wonder why your gearboxes blow up. Like, do you get what I mean? Like, I thought it there, but that is it. Like, literally, that wasn't even full throttle. So you just got to bear that in mind. The gearbox can be delicate, so you just can't floor it everywhere. But it's probably a good thing anyway, because you're not going to cause accidents, are you, driving like a div everywhere? So it's probably a good thing, because if this gearbox wasn't as bad as people say it is, I probably wouldn't floor it everywhere. So it's a nice little restrictive strainer just to stop you driving like a div, even though this thing is more than capable of 400 horsepower. But you just got to be careful of the torque. We've got 400 newton meters of torque, so it's more than enough in a front wheel drive car. As you can see there, it was spinning in third gear, so it's like kind of mental. But yeah, and it's very damp. It has been raining, so no wonder why it's spinning it. But yeah, honestly, such a good car, man. If you guys are looking for a good car, Polo GTI DSG is the one for you. Let's cut down here and I can show you guys what the pops and bangs sound like in sport mode. Obviously you only drive in sport mode, so I put the windows down at the back and then you guys can it's raining, which is just lovely. But yeah, so this is in sport mode now, and as you can see, the pops are so violent, man. It's actually mad. There you go, listen to that, man. It's actually stupid. What? See what I mean? Just the spins, man. Oh my god. I actually love this car. This is actually the best car I've ever owned. Like, I actually love it. Brother, I'm out here at night doing a video for you guys. You guys better show love to this video. And I know a lot of you have started watching recently anyway, but yeah, man, you lot better show love. But yeah, so I'm probably going to end the video here. I've done a lot of petrol. We've all got work tomorrow, so I need to go and upload this ASAP for you lot, because I said I'll drop it at 9 and it's 8:51. But I've had problems recording this video like 4 times, so you lot better show some love in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.